Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I want to show you how I make my tomato stew. So this is the tomato I'm using, as you can see. So what I need to do, just pour this into my pot. So this stew, I'm not gonna fry it, okay? As you can see, I just put the tomato inside my pot, so there's no frying anything. So now I have my onion, so I'm gonna add my onion together. I have my garlic, my thyme, my salt, my seasoning. So just mix it together. Then I'm gonna add my chicken. I've not cooked my chicken, it's fresh chicken, so I'm gonna add it together. So I'm gonna stir it together. So I added, sorry, I don't know that I didn't record that part. So I added my green pepper, as you can see. So I added my pepper. The next thing is gonna be my oil. So I'm gonna add my oil. Just add oil. Stir it together. So I'm gonna cover it for 15 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So after 15 minutes, I'm gonna check how the stew is cooking. So I'm still gonna cook it again. At this point, I'm gonna reduce the heat. You reduce the stove to cook so that the chicken can be cooked very well. So I'm gonna check how the stew is doing. So now I'm gonna add my baby spinach. So I'm gonna turn it together. So guys, that is how I make my stew. Tomato stew with little baby spinach with chicken. So this is very delicious. If you've not tried this way, please just go and try it and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this way of making stew. This is my own way of making stew, and if you try this way, is gonna taste so delicious. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful and useful to you. If this video is helpful, useful, please don't forget, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, with your loved ones, and with your family. Leave a comment below after making this stew and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. Bye for now.